grass underneath my feet is frozen quite a bit. Well, good morning, everyone, and happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. I am going to make my wife, the mother of my children, some breakfast. She wanted pancakes. Before I get started on that, I'm wondering how the plants did last night. Can't really tell from here. All the ice has melted off of them now. They don't look super green down there. It worries me. Have to go take a look at them after breakfast. Well, I was going to use that pan, but it is soaking from last night's dinner. I don't feel like messing with that. Here is pan B. Get it? See what I did there? Pan B, plan B. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. Alright guys, so to this batter, I added a little bit of vanilla extract and a little bit of sugar because I think it needs it. But other than that, that's all I do for pancakes. I've got some bacon here. I'm going to start the pancakes when the bacon's near being done. I think I might do some scrambled eggs too, so we'll have a big breakfast today. This is some very oddly shaped bacon. Alright guys, my first pancake didn't come out too bad. Not bad at all. Got the scrambled eggs going over here. Have toast in the oven, or in the toaster oven. Bacon's ready. Only thing missing is some sausage. Well guys, here's the finished product. Got a short stack, medium stack of pancakes, scrambled eggs, bacon, toast, and low sugar or no sugar strawberry jam, hot syrup, some organic whole milk. That's it. Happy Mother's Day. Alrighty, let's go see how everything fared last night. Take a quick walk around. Then we're going to head to a farm to see about getting a side of beef. And then we're going to go to visit my mom and get some pizza, hopefully, for Mother's Day. Now the fan is the one in the greenhouse. I guess I'll have to look in a couple of days. They say you got to look at the inside, and if that starts turning brown, it won't produce a strawberry. There's a bee on a flower. Let's go look at the blueberries real quick. Oh man, there's a lot of flowers on the ground. Phew. But there's a lot of fruit. Well, hopefully it's okay. Hopefully we don't have any more freezes or frosts. Let's go look at the apple tree real quick. Yeah, there's a lot of fruitlets. The flowers are kind of brown on some of them. Oh man. I'm definitely going to have to come down here and spray. That brown right there, that's from frost. Definitely time to spray. Those are sour cherries. Yeah, a lot of surround on these have washed off. Alright, I guess I know what I'm doing tomorrow. I would love to get a bunch of these sweet cherries for a change. It'd be nice. Oh, my grapevine is all damaged. The leaves are just crunching off. I didn't even think about this. Oh, jeez. Yeah, those are the ones that needed water bad. Yeah. I did water them pretty good. Everything looks good. That plant there, that was like drooping badly last night.
Huge, my folius.
Yeah. Beautiful. By the way, Shell, happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day to you too. Oh wait a minute, that's just me.
Yeah, that's just you.
I could have swore I ordered some pots because I need pots for these.
Yeah.
And they haven't come in, so I don't know if I really ordered them.
Maybe not.
I thought I ordered them.
I didn't say anything.
What was that, Connor?
I said, oh gosh.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom.
Thank you. Appreciate you guys coming down.
We're having Gil's Pizza outside.
And we're socially distancing.
Yes, sort of.
As far as we possibly can.
Right. Pizza's over there. So this is the pond. And it's green because the bulb for the filtration system burned out.
He says that if he stops in a while.
Well, the fish just got fed. Every time I go to film these fish, they go underwater.
It doesn't matter though, because you don't want to film that. It's so ugly.
We're gonna get this water clear.
When I'm raised, I don't have time.
You don't raise children anymore.
Well, we're heading back home now after a wonderful afternoon at my mom's. And it hit almost 70 degrees down there today. The light breeze, so we were able to eat outside and enjoy some good family time for a change.
Este dinero nos va a traer venganza finalmente.
Well, good Monday morning to you guys. It's another windy, chilly day. And from what I understand, we are going to have a frost advisory this evening. So I'm going to have to cover those plants up again. I don't think I'm going to use water. My grapes are in poor shape, so I'm going to have to cover them up, try to save them if I can. Anyway, I don't know what I'm going to be doing today as far as vlogging goes, but I've got to go do some work. And 2 weeks of being, 2 weeks, the past 2 weeks, packing on some pounds. So starting this afternoon, back to keto. And I'll probably maybe do one cheat day a week now. I have got to get serious about this. definitely serious about this. Well, I just got home from work and Michelle is making steaks tonight for dinner. And something is going to be boiled, and she's making a baked potato for somebody. Not me, because I am back on keto today. That looks yummy, Michelle.
Thank you.
Brussels sprouts. Do you guys like Brussels sprouts?
Yes.
I know you do. I'm asking them on the internet if they like Brussels sprouts. I don't think these have enough butter. Oops. They're good. Well, we're out for our nightly walk. It is windy and it is cold. Michelle looks like a little bundle of blankets over there. It's hard to believe. Looking at the forecast, it's going down to like 33 tonight with these crazy winds. And in like a week, we're gonna be in the mid to upper 80s and possibly in the 90s in 2 weeks. This is just insane. It's like a steely gray sky of November. Just looking at some diagrams of the transmission that I may be rebuilding. Oh, it's a lot of parts. Lots and lots of parts. So I think I'm going to start on removing the transmission from my truck tomorrow. We'll see. Well, good morning, everybody. I am cooking breakfast. That looks like a hamburger, but it's not. It is a pork sausage patty. We picked this up at a local farm, sort of local, the other day. It is a massive piece of sausage. I don't know what it's going to taste like, but I'm going to give it a shot today. See if we're going to go buy more. Although we do like making our own sausage when we have the opportunity to. I have a video, and I'll put a link in the description below of us making sausage. Anyway, I've got more work today, and it is kind of chilly and still gray and miserable. We took the blankets off of the strawberries again last night because of the frost coming that came last night. So yeah, I'm hoping that I'll be able to get this vlog out tonight so you guys can see it Wednesday tomorrow, and it'll be like 3 days of vlogs. Really haven't been doing much, and I hope to be able to get into this thing soon and start dropping the transmission on it. Fingers crossed. So I'm heading up to the bank right now, and I've got a hitchhiker here, and he has been holding on for dear life. It has not been looking good for him. Jeez, a whiz, man. Thought there was gonna be an accident right there. He continues to try his darndest to stay on that window. He keeps slipping backwards a little bit at a time. Oh, he's gone. Couldn't hold on any longer. Well, there's a new development this afternoon. Perhaps this weekend we can go camping with our RV. It all depends on whether we're going to get our truck back or not tomorrow. Unfortunately, because they could not get an engine and there is no time in sight that the engine is going to show up, they're going to put the oil pan back on the engine and button everything back up and try to get it back to us tomorrow. So if the weather's going to cooperate and I can find a campground and we do get the truck back tomorrow, we may actually be going camping this weekend. Well, I'm out for my nightly walk by myself tonight. Michelle's back at the house cleaning. Connor's playing video games. So I figured I'd just walk by myself. Climbing this hill. Probably not a good time to turn the camera on. Anyway, but it's been a couple of days since I actually uploaded a video. And that's because I've been out working, finally. Yeah, I don't know, the daily vlog thing, it's probably gonna slow down now. Man, look at my hair. I gotta go out and get a haircut, or I have to get somebody to cut my hair. So I'm probably going to start spraying lots of rusty parts underneath my trucks with PB Blaster. So that's going to keep me busy in my spare time, working on the truck, of course. I got to work to get the transmission out and come up with a game plan to put a new one back in. Still haven't decided on what I want to do yet. We noticed this last night when we were walking. Somebody's vehicle is leaking either oil or transmission fluid really bad. They're going to have a problem if they don't already. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. That's been going on for a half a mile. The drips. Oh man, it looks like there's going to be a really good sunset tonight, and I don't have another camera out. Still chilly. Starting tomorrow, it's supposed to warm up. And then by Friday, we're supposed to be in the low 80s. And this weekend's looking pretty daggone good. If I can find a campground to go to that we haven't been to yet in the area, we'll be going. But the one that I really wanted to go to, I called them up and they are booked. Solid. Well guys, I guess that's gonna do it for this vlog. The short yet multi-day vlog. If any of you are new to the channel, this isn't normally our normal format. Don't normally do daily vlogs or partial day, no, that's not the word I'm looking for, or vlogs every couple of days of stuff around the house. Most of the stuff we usually shoot is of trips and our travels, theme parks, camping, hiking, all of that good stuff. But of course, being under the quarantine, this is what we got. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. We would greatly appreciate it. And after you watch the video, please hit the like button. And don't forget to hit the reminder bell to be notified of new videos when they become available. One last look at this. Let's do a wide angle. Beautiful. Take care, guys. You know what, guys? I bet you if I ran back home, I could make it there to set the camera up.